Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to use chgrp command on Linux. So in order to use this command, of course you have to go into terminal, and right now, what is a chgrp command? Chgrp command basically allows you to change the group assigned to a file or directory. It is really useful and I will show you how to use it in a proper way. So, first of all, I will show you the syntax of this command. So, we have to use sudo in order to have the administration permissions, and right now chgrp like this, and right there we will type in the new group, and after it the file name or the folder name that we want to change group, that we want to change group of basically. And right now I will maybe first of all create a user in order to have some different groups than my test_pl group. So I will create user at, for example, test user like this. I will type in my password and sudo, and for the test user, and I will set the new password. So I will do it like this, and right now I have the new user that I will use in this chgrp command. And right now we will create a file, for example test, and we will write this text into test.txt file. And as you can see, we have our test.txt file. Inside of it we have the test line. And right now, how can we list the basically owners, groups, permissions of the file? We can use ls-l and the name of the file, so like this. And as you can see, we have two words right there. Both are the same. The first one is owner. We will not change that in this video. And the second one is group. We will change it in a second. How can we change this test_pl into a group test user that I created before? We have to of course use the chgrp command. So sudo chgrp, and right now the name of the group, so test user, and the name of the file, so test.txt. I will press enter, and right now again I will use ls-l, and as you can see, my group has been changed. And right now I will show you how to do it with the folders. So I will create a folder, so mkdir, for example, or test folder like this. Inside this folder I will create a file, so I will move to this folder for now. I will create a file, so for example file.txt. I will write something like this, so new line, for example. I will save that. We can save that by pressing Ctrl O, enter, and Ctrl X on our keyboard. If you don't know how to use nano, you can watch my video when I showed you how to do it. So we have new file right there. We can of course leave the permissions. So again, file.txt. As you can see, we have the group test_pl. If we will go back to the home section, we have this folder, and again we have the group test_pl. And how can we change the group of this folder and the group of this file inside this folder at the same time? We can use this sudo chgrp command, but we have to use option -r. -r stands for recursive, and that basically means this will change the group of all files and subdirectories inside the directory. So we will use it like this. And right now, the name of our group, so the name of our group is test user, of our new group basically, and I will maybe write the absolute path, because it is better to use the absolute path instead of writing just the test folder. We can use something like this, so home/test_pl. This is my username. It is home from the user test_pl, and the folder which name is test folder, and we can use it like this. I will press enter, and right now if I will use ls-l, as you can see my group is changed to test user, and if I will go into the test folder, my group on my file is also changed by into a test user by using only a one command. So this is how you can use the change group command on Linux. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.